Dr. Nichelle Gurley, specialize in prenatal, postpartum, and pediatric chiropractic care, along with prenatal and postpartum fitness and rehab. We're going to review how to foam roll the calf muscle. So for that, you're going to have your foam out in front of you. I'm going to put my calf down, and sometimes they're too tender. You want to do two at the same time. So I'm just going to go from my ankle all the way to my knee, and you can see I'm walking myself with my hands if I'm doing both. And then I'm going to point my toes in and do those muscles. Point my toes out and go along the calf. And then I'm going to play around with pulling my toes up to me and pointing them out. So dorsiflexion and then plantarflexion as I do this. So I'm going to stay actually in one spot on my quads, and I'm going to point my toes and then dorsiflex. And then I can also do that while I'm rolling. Now, that's a lot for me, but if that's not too much, then you can stack one leg over the other. And for me, this is just enough, stacking one leg without even lifting my body. But for you, you may need to lift your body, take the other leg, and help provide some counter pressure, and then do all the same things. Point the toes out, point them in, pull them up to you, and point them out. So there's a lot of different variety with the calves that you can do to get into those muscles as you're foam rolling.